Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying safe during this quarantine period. Here is a quick video of me trying to style my hair while I'm staying at home. This is a really easy and simple style, and I just decided to accessorize my hair with this hair accessory. So I'm starting off with a freshly washed hair. This hairstyle is really simple, so I'm not going to really say much on it. I'll just show you guys whatever I'm doing. All the products that I'll be using in this video will be in the description box down below, so be sure to check them out. And please subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell button on so you can get notifications whenever I post new videos. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open up.